Hello everyone, you can learn these hairstyles in just few minutes. You can make them. All you need beautiful hairpins and hairband, and you can make any of these styles for your party. Here I'm showing you beautiful bun styles, beautiful braid styles. Like here, this beautiful bun I have made making a braid like this, and see how beautiful it is looking. You can use matching hairpins, and this beautiful bun is ready. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. Twist your hair and make a beautiful bun like this. Make a ponytail, then twist your hair like this. Then this beautiful bun is ready. You have to divide your hair in two, then you have to make a braid like this. If you have a long hair, you can use this hairstyle. You can make a beautiful fish braid, or you can make a beautiful bun like this. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. First make a ponytail, then you have to make a braid like this, and this is done. This is giving volume to your hair also. Wow, wonderful. Now let's proceed with this. You have to first make a ponytail, then you have to divide your hair in 3 parts, and then make a bun like this. With the rest of the hair, you have to twist around the bun